time with me. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Cringe content. Now we're going to Staples to do some little things for me. We're just gonna go fax stuff. So to Staples, and then we're going to wash our clothing since we do not have a machine at home. So the plans are just simple. Yeah. By the way, y'all, tell me if y'all want a room tour of my new room, since I didn't tell y'all. Okay, in New Year's, like around April, I moved to a new house. So yeah, I couldn't really vlog that much because of a bunch of things. But now that we live in a new house, I want to see if y'all want a room tour of my room. Just tell me. Yeah. I'm so cute. There you go. Found some notebooks for $1, and since school starts and then the price goes higher, we're just gonna take a couple just in case. I don't know. I don't have my school list yet. See, pero está bien. I don't have a school list yet, but we're just gonna take a couple, like 4 or so. I convinced my mother to give me highlighters before anything gets like torn away and expensive because of after school shopping. We're done getting our little stuff, notebook things from Staples. So now we're going to go, I don't know if we're going to Aldi first or we're gonna do laundry stuff. Let's see, let's go figure it out. We're going to the laundry and then Aldi, and then I think it's back home. Let's see, right? So y'all, we just put in our clothing and now there's a thrift store right next to the laundry place. So we're gonna go to the thrift store and thrift nothing. Only a mirror. We're looking for a long mirror. I bought my long mirror here and my friend wants one of them, so we're gonna go look for it. So we're just gonna go do that. For books to read this summer on the Christian store, so I'm gonna see if they got anything. On this great books I'm gonna read this summer. It's like the books I kind of been like researching for. It's biblical books. I like biblical books, but then I've been wanting these like fictional girl biblical point of views of the Bible. So books. So now that I got the books, okay, never mind. After the thrift store, we're just gonna put the clothing in the dryer and then that's it. And then we're going to Aldi and stuff. That's it. Simple. I know, because it's literally. Anyways, we're waiting for it to dry. I think I want to start reading one of my books because I don't know. I just feel like reading one of my books, and I am so escotada right now. I'm literally not gonna lie to you, but it's like you can see my bra, but ow, kind of hurts. Anyways, we're just waiting for the clothing to dry, then we're gonna fold it, leave. We're gonna go make a pit stop at Aldi, buy some fruits, veggies, snacks, and then I think we go home after that. And then I'm gonna just show you what I'm doing in my room because I'm really organizing it, and it's been like I've been trying to organize it, but then my stepdad ordered my computer charger I asked him for, and he did it, and it got here, and I was like obsessed with my computer for the next hour or so. No, for the rest of the day. And I was trying to switch my Notion over to my other computer, and so I've been obsessed on that. And I haven't even finished my Notion task list, so that's goals. Huh? ¿A dónde? Oh, we're going to the Latin store. A Oreo thing from the Latin store. That's the best Latin store I've ever seen in Jacksonville. That reminds me of Virginia. Now I'm gonna rediscover Jesus. I bought it. It's one of the books I'm gonna just read and then wait because the clothing is still drying. Okay, we're in the car. We're done washing clothing, and that was tiring. We sped that up because we do not want to be that. gives us stress being in there. So my mom went to buy one more thing from the lettuce so that she figured out what to buy. Done. Anyways, next stop is Aldi, and now I'm gonna read. I couldn't start it because literally the second I was gonna start, the thing is, I knew when they put the stickers, but then I was like, it gives me the urge to keep picking on it. I don't know why. But anyways, these are a little quick speed up for me reading this while I'm with my mom. Got my other books. I'm so excited to read. I can't wait. Okay. Anyways, rediscovered Jesus. In some angles my eyes look yellower and there's no kind of, I have drawn eyes right now, so yeah, I got some. Mira esos cactus. So I got my, you can tell we try being aesthetic every day. I'm shocked my mom follows me. Anyways, I binge eat goldfish when my stomach feels nauseous, because I am going through some stuff, medical stuff, so just so y'all know, same level type of thing. But yeah, I love how I'm not shy to record unless there's like somebody around my age. I don't know why. I was obsessed with white bread, but apparently it's bad for you, so we're just gonna go back to my wheat bread type of thing. Where is the goldfish? I don't care if they're fake or not. I just, oh shoot. No, these are more cheaper than the turtle ones, because I thought the turtle ones were gonna be like cheaper, since you know what I mean. What else have I been craving? I've been craving Ritz, so let's see if my mom buys me some. I don't think they have Ritz this way, so I'm gonna just get one of those salt crackers. Same thing, right? No, I saw these. My teacher had one of these. That's what you mean? They sucked. I'm gonna just grab some cheese crackers. I don't know, isn't it the same thing? Price for this, so we're gonna do that. I feel like I move too much and I suck at recording, so I need a cameraman, but I don't think somebody's gonna follow me everywhere I go. That's $3. I messed up. That one's $4 though, so it's like cheaper. I'm in here for goldfish and healthy stuff, and I end up my mom let me bring these, but then this looks so good though. It's teriyaki ramen. It does not need water, which makes no sense, but it looks good, and I love teriyaki, so I have a feeling I'm gonna convince my mother. It's $2. That's more than that Maruchan, bro. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Good ones, and my mom's like nodding to everything. She's like, so guess I'm taking it. But if she wants to drop it, I'll leave it. It's okay, except for the goldfish that's coming with me. We're getting the veggies, and then I'll update you guys when I'm gone. I think that'd be good, unless I come back for some reason. Stopping off the car, and then my mom's gonna pick me up right here, because I ain't walking too much. I'm kind of scared of this train. Mama? Back. Starbucks. Tired. And I came back to this guy's big old, she ripped a pillow. After we bought her, we literally just bought her a big, what happened to it? I don't know where they put it, but we bought her a big pillow type thing. It's a big bed, because we were feeling bad for her, and I was like, oh, there's no way she's gonna break it, like, because we did buy her some as a baby, but she did break it, like rip it up. I was like, there's no way she will rip it up. We come home to her ripping a pillow, and it's been like months. It's about, yeah, months. Did end up buying this, so I can't wait to try it later. Right now we're gonna eat some, I don't even know what we're gonna eat. Apparently we're supposed to eat a Freda, but she's cooking some beans right now. We'll see. I'm back home, and okay, hold up. Try not. can't really, it's kind of hard. That's why I want a camera. Mini haul for a couple of things. I buy at a, okay, this is from what I got from Aldi. So I got the cheese things, cheese and goldfish. I keep this in my room. Don't ask. Pencils, this is my mom's bag. And then the notebooks from Staples. One of them is my mom. I only wanted 3, so yeah. This one, same thing. So this, and then books. Okay. So I bought 4 books because it's 6 with the other thing. I'm still trying to fill this off, but anyways, the one I'm reading right now is Rediscover Jesus. It's really good at right now at the moment. I can't read it yet. Then I got this, The House of God, by Samuel Shem, I think it is. Can't wait to read it. It really intrigues me. I read the back part. And then I got Praying with Paul. Learn to play. It's just learning how to pray like Paul, which just interests me. So. And then I am so excited to read this book. I think I'm gonna read it last. It's like I'm like, oh, we need to get to that book. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna stick to that. It's Jerusalem's Queen. Now I've been seeing this author in Instagram where she writes about Ruth, she writes about Esther, and then she writes like their struggles in life and stuff like that and the point of view, and it's like kind of like a fantasy story, but it sounds so good. It's like intrigues me and I really want one. So it's kind of the same thing, kinda, not really. I'll read you the thing if y'all want a little. Hunt's latest series puts a human's face on a moment event in ancient history. Fans of a biblical fiction will be captivated. I am so excited. The historical detailed depths of the characterization and hopeful outlook of this story will keep readers entertained and inspired. Once again, Hunt demonstrates her stunning mastery of historical biblical literature as she begins her new Silent Year series. Rich in history, atmosphere, emotion, and spiritually, Hunt's ambitious series debut. And I recommend, I'll tell y'all in further videos when I'm done reading most of these books, if I recommend them, what I rate them. Yeah. And then, I love mini Bibles, but this one is pink and it's kind of has a tag on there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take them off. Take a break and sit down, watch stuff while my mom is cooking dinner types. Because I had kind of brunch type of thing. We ate hash browns with eggs, so I call it brunch. And then I'm gonna work on my Notion, see if I can clean up my room because it really is messy. Make sure to check out my last video, my SeaWorld video. It's called I Went to SeaWorld. I'll try to link it down below. So, yeah. I just realized update. I have done absolutely nothing except watch YouTube, and then I cleared the stickers out of my books. I ate dinner, which was a chicken alfredo, which was so good. Watch TV while eating dinner, come back in my room and lay down and watch more YouTube. So I don't know if I'm getting up, but I'll update you if I do. Notion tasks. Probably not. I'll probably start tomorrow. I'm supposed to finish today so I can put out my LED light since I have not done that since I moved here. Sorry for the worst lighting you'll ever see, but it's always outros. I don't know why I forgot to do outros. I'm editing the video. Here's an update. It's the next day. and I have done absolutely none of my notions. And it's like yesterday I literally laid knocked out. I did my daily devotions. It's 8:23 a.m. right now. I woke up at 7. I usually start my day out with my notions, with my like work, with like things like that, just to have the day figured out. I just haven't had the feeling to do it. I only had it on Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday comes, and no, Tuesday did work. It's Wednesday. Now I'm just scooting all the tasks over, and it's making a bigger pile. So and I'm supposed to be leaving, and I'm leaving at 9 for a appointment of one of my friends. So, but that's all I'm gonna do for today. If y'all want to see more of my summer vlogs, but they're more exciting because this was literally the lamest video I've ever seen, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells because next video is gonna be fantastic. I promise you that. I'm literally gonna join you. There's another travel video coming up, so stay tuned. Bye, y'all.